She was actually complaining about aches and pains.
That's very typical. You always hear kids complaining because there's no Wi-Fi, they can't use YouTube, things like that.
Parker Page wasn't complaining about Wi-Fi.
I'm not really sure.
She wasn't complaining about not having a phone.
I'm not really sure.
You heard Parker Page complaining about physical aches and pains.
I'm not really sure.
Is it your testimony today in court that you did not hear Parker Page complaining about aches and pains?
I heard her complaining. It may have been that. I don't know.
Do you remember making an affidavit in today's case?
Yes, I do remember.
And you remember being under oath when you made that affidavit?
Yes, I do remember.
May I approach opposing counsel with the witness's affidavit?
Go ahead.
Now that's a copy of your affidavit.
Yes.
And that's your signature on the last page.
Yes.
Has it been changed or altered in any way?
No.
So can you please read silently while I read aloud line 67 to 68. Parker seemed to have been limping, favoring her right leg. Did I read that correctly?
Yes, that's what he said.
Objection to hearsay, Your Honor, if I may be heard.
Proceed.
Well, in this jurisdiction, an improper impeachment is not an objection, therefore I make hearsay because opposing counsel is making these out-of-court statements. The question that opposing counsel had asked the witness prior to impeaching them was whether they had heard Parker Page complaining. The line that they read out offered no statement from Parker Page. It actually only said Parker seemed to be limping, favoring her right leg. Therefore, no contradiction has been drawn, and this is hearsay.
I'm going to sustain that objection.
Yes, Your Honor. So can you please read silently while I read aloud line 61, 60 to 61 as well. I tried not to eavesdrop, but I could hear Parker complaining about some aches and pains.
Yes, I say that.
Did I read that correctly?
Yes, that is correct.
Permission to approach the witness to retrieve the affidavit?